Boring necklines. I repeat, say no to boring necklines. Why don't you follow me as I make 3 different type of neckline design for you? You can make 3 and you can be doing only round neck. It's not good though. First of all, you mark your neck width of 3 inch and your neck depth of 3 inch. Then you connect it. From your shoulder line, you mark down 5 inch, whatever line you, as in whatever measurement you want there, that's 6 or so. Then you mark a straight line on it. From your arm side, mark 3 inch or 4 inch. From there, come down by, like the way I'm showing you now, come down by 2.5, go up by 1/2 inch. Then you connect the both line back to that 5 inch. And your keyhole neckline is ready. Now see it, very simple. Just cut out your neckline out. Look at it here. The second one, we call it asymmetric neckline. From your shoulder, mark out 3 inch width and depth of 3 inch and connect it using your curve ruler. Then you cut it out. From your shoulder, mark out 2.5 inch depending how wide you want it. Then mark out 7 inch downward. You can even do 8 inch depending how deep you want it. From there, from your middle, mark out 1/2 inch, and from your other shoulder, mark out 1/2 inch. Connect it using a curve ruler and connect back to the 7 inch. Okay, for you not to be straight, if you don't want it straight, you can do it or come up by 1/2 inch and connect back like that. Then you cut it out. This is your asymmetric neckline. Look at it. You can even cut out that curve if you want it straight. Get to the third one. We call this one Queen Anne neckline. From there, mark out 2.5 inch, or better say 3 inch, anyone you want it. Mark down 7 inch. You can still do 8 if you like. From there, connect a straight line on there. From your shoulder line, mark down 4 inch or 5 inch and connect a straight line too. From there, your arm on curve. Come in by 3 inch or 4 inch and so, or 3.5 inch. Like mine, I think I used 3 or 4 inch. Okay, I later use 3.5 inch. Then from there, use your curve ruler or pattern master and connect it backward to that 7 inch and connect it back to your neckline. Okay, yes, I think I used 3 inch. Then cut it out. Your Queen Anne neckline is out. Follow for more. And this is my first time doing voiceover and doing a tutorial. Thanks and bye.